is Catherine Santos, 28 years old. I am a college undergrad taking the course of Early Childhood Education. I am a solo parent with 2 kids. My eldest is 4 years old and my youngest is 2 years old. I'm working in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia right now for almost 2 years as first-timer domestic helper. My contract will be end on May 2026. My main duties is to take care of the whole house and take care of the children. They were high schoolers, 15 and 16 years old. Every day I just to check and clean the rooms, bathrooms, assisting the children going to school and prepare food when they came back in the lunchtime. I do also laundry, ironing, cleaning the garage, car wash, and do market, also washing dishes and anything that's related in cleaning. I am not knowledgeable in terms of cooking. I just learned how to cook Arab food when I came here, and I am willing also to learn to cook other dishes like Western and Chinese food. And I am a fast learner, positive person, trustworthy and hardworking person. And one thing that I can assure you is in everything that I do, I put my heart in it. And I am a teachable person and a patient person. And I hope and pray that you will notice my application and can't wait to work with you. Looking forward to working with you and to serve you and your family. Thank you and have a nice day.